Okay, the recording is started, and hello everyone. And let's talk about the week 11. It's a current week. And related to educational materials, this week is pretty easy, I hope. And that means that you have more time to complete two necessary tasks. It's CoreJS condition and loops and CoreJS erase. And I hope that you already working on Hagman, and this week you proceed working on this task. And related to educational materials, this week you should learn about form and validation. There are a bunch of links. Some of these links is to video materials from our technical events, and some of them related to the to read its articles, and up to you what type of information is more applicable for you. You may choose any option, either video or article, but I would recommend do not skip the sim due to working with the web application. You will work with some kind of forms. It might be just input or full form. You will work, I guess, regularly, and clear understanding how to work, how to validate, and how to communicate with the user through the form is really important for any front-end developer. Additionally, you might get some questions related to form and its validation during to interview to stage 2, and within the interview on let's say project or to any company. So I guess that's all from my side, and I hope that it's not complicated week for you as well. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask or to type in the chat in these teams. Seems there are no questions. I hope 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you guys for attending these short sessions, and see you next week. Bye bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Hannah.
Bye.